Hey judges, it's Mike checking in with week one, and I'm here with lovely Jacqueline.
Hi.
So Jacqueline and I met about 4 weeks ago. She was concerned about some acne, and I figured that she would be the perfect candidate for this case study. Do you want to just tell the judges kind of what you've been experiencing and what you're looking to achieve?
A few months ago, I came off of birth control and another medication called Spironolactone. Looking just personal reasons to come off of the medications, I've noticed that my skin became very, very oily when it was previously dry and very acne prone and just a lot of acne, probably due to hormonal reasons. And I'm having a very difficult time controlling it. So Mike here is going to help me.
We are definitely going to control it. And it's tough with medication sometimes because it can be a band-aid approach. Once you take the band-aid off, sometimes that inflammation tends to come back.
Exactly.
So I'm excited to introduce more of a holistic approach in treating the acne. I am going to see Jacqueline weekly for 8 weeks of treatment. It's going to be a little intense, but we're going to have a great time. I'm going to put her on a home care routine in between treatments, and then we're going to focus a lot on diet and lifestyle factors too, because that's really important when you're treating the skin holistically, is that kind of 360 inside and outside approach. Just to give you a little background on Jacqueline so you can kind of get an idea of some of the decisions I'm making in treating her skin. She's Italian, so I'm treating her as a Fitz 3. She works in analytics, and she has about a 2.5 to 3 stress level out of 5. So stress will be a little bit of an opportunity since that cortisol strike can increase some inflammation in the skin. Great exercise. Exercises 6 days a week. Impressive. Sleep schedule, average 7 hours. Also impressive. I can't do that. And she drinks about 60 ounces of water a day. So that's all great. Opportunity in diet is maybe limiting some dairy like yogurt and skim milk. And she is on a biotin supplement that I will recommend she get off of if she can. But I'm really excited on seeing the changes that we can make in 8 short weeks. And thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you. Yep. Looking forward to it.
I'll keep you updated, judges. Thank you.